You know, we often think about our health in terms of exercise and sleep, but what about our eyes? They're the windows to the world, yet we rarely give them the attention they deserve. Today, I want to chat about 5 incredible foods that not only protect our eyes, but can also help repair our vision. So, grab a snack, maybe something healthy, and let's dive into this eye-opening topic. First up on our list is carrots. I know, it's the classic answer, but there's a reason it's so popular. Carrots are packed with beta-carotene, which our bodies convert into vitamin A. This vitamin is crucial for maintaining good vision, especially in low light. Ever heard the saying, "Eat your carrots to see in the dark"? Well, it's not just a myth. Vitamin A helps prevent night blindness and keeps our eyes functioning at their best. Plus, they're crunchy and sweet, making them a perfect snack. You can munch on them raw, add them to salads, or even roast them for a delicious side dish. Next on the list is spinach. This leafy green is a powerhouse when it comes to eye health. Spinach contains lutein and zeaxanthin, 2 antioxidants that protect our eyes from harmful light and reduce the risk of cataracts and macular degeneration. You might not feel like a superhero after eating spinach, but your eyes will definitely thank you. Toss some fresh spinach into your smoothies, salads, or even sauté it with garlic for a tasty side. And let's be real, if it's good enough for Popeye, it's good enough for us. Now let's talk about fish, specifically fatty fish like salmon, mackerel, and sardines. These fish are rich in omega-3 fatty acids, which are vital for maintaining eye health. Omega-3s help protect against dry eyes and can even help prevent age-related macular degeneration. If you've ever felt that annoying dryness after staring at a screen for too long, you might want to consider adding more omega-3s to your diet. Try grilling some salmon for dinner or whipping up a tuna salad for lunch. Your eyes will appreciate the effort, and you'll feel good knowing you're nourishing your body. Moving on, we can't forget about blueberries. These little berries are not just delicious, they're also packed with antioxidants that help protect our eyes from oxidative stress. Blueberries contain vitamin C, which plays a role in eye health by reducing the risk of cataracts. Plus, they're incredibly versatile. You can toss them in your morning yogurt, blend them into smoothies, or just snack on them straight out of the container. They're like nature's candy, but without the guilt. Last but certainly not least, let's give a shout out to nuts, particularly almonds. These crunchy snacks are packed with vitamin E, which is essential for eye health. Vitamin E helps protect the eyes from free radicals, which can cause damage over time. Just a handful of almonds a day can make a difference. They're perfect for snacking on the go, adding to salads, or even tossing into your morning oatmeal for a bit of crunch. So there you have it. 5 fantastic foods that can help protect your eyes and even repair your vision. Carrots, spinach, fatty fish, blueberries, and almonds. Each one brings something unique to the table. Incorporating these foods into your diet can be a simple yet effective way to support your eye health. And remember, your eyes are worth the effort. So the next time you're at the grocery store, keep these foods in mind. Let's give our eyes the love they deserve, one delicious bite at a time.